everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Basudha Parija and I'm back after what, a year now or a century, whatever. Having said that, as the title suggests, I'm going to talk to you guys about my personal experiences, share some tips and tricks as to how you can stay more confident. Now, every third person I meet on this planet, they tell me, or they often ask me, how are you so confident? They give me compliments, they ask me what is the secret behind it. So I'm going to spill the tea today and I'm going to tell you guys what all steps you can inculcate in your life and just shine brighter and enhance your personality in general. Because if you're happy inside, if you're confident inside, that's going to reflect outside and you're going to achieve much better things in life. So yeah, having said that, without further ado, let's get into the video. The very first thing that I'm going to recommend to you guys is talking to your own self. Now, this might sound really crazy to you all, but it is scientifically proven. It is tested that talking to your own self, like positive self-talk, okay, don't be negative. Positive self-talk is going to give you much better results. Your thought process is improved. You get like a lot of clarity. So that basically helps a lot. So you need to talk to yourself, and that really helps. At least that helps for me as well. I've tried it. Now, the second thing is overcoming self-doubt. Now, if you're someone who is struggling with like a sense of insecurity or self-doubt, this one is for you. Okay, try to cancel out all the negative thoughts in your life and just tell yourself, in positive present tense, that I am capable of doing this, or I will do. No, don't say I will, just say that I am going to achieve this, or I am capable of getting paid, or I am capable of getting the best job that I want. So at least have that sense of belief in your own self that yes, you will be able to do it, and have immense faith. Next is push through self-limiting beliefs. Now, there are a lot of stereotypes in our country, in the world itself, and a lot of people, say that this is something that you can't do. That is how society has, conditioned our minds, and we have, we have been brought up like that. So always rewire your thought process and think like how you can improve this, or how can you push your self-limiting beliefs. Okay, just have that belief that okay, if this XYZ person is telling me to do this, that is his experience, that is not what you want to do or what you have gone through. Okay, every person on this planet has different set of insecurities, experiences, opportunities, the level of education. So have that thing in mind and work accordingly. And the last thing that I'm gonna tell you guys is facing your fears. Now, I can't stress on this fact a lot, but facing your own fears, whatever you are thinking that you won't be able to do it, or whatever is stopping you, if you face that thing, there'll be a sense of relief. There'll be a sense of satisfaction, even if you don't succeed in that particular thing. But if you face that fear, you will have another, like a new level of confidence, and that is something which I can't just explain. It just works. Like, I was somebody who, when I was in my school days, I feared going up on stage. I had like literally stage phobia. I never liked talking in public. And now if you ask me to talk in front of 10,000 odd people, I'll be okay doing that. I have been a public speaker, I have been emceeing, and I have been an orator. So I know the feel. Okay, what happens? You will fail once, you will fail twice, or maybe multiple times, but at one point you'll reach a certain position where it will be impossible for the rest of the people to at least come to that level. So having said that, I come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Please put in the comments down below what all videos you want to see next, or do you have any suggestions for me. Thank you for listening. Stay safe everyone, stay happy, and bye bye.